If you're up 2, 3, even 4 times a night to urinate, or stumbling through your day feeling wiped out and a shadow of your old self, listen up. This isn't just age catching up with you. Something far simpler may be taking a toll, and it's rarely talked about. I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a urologist with decades of experience helping men in their 50s and beyond reclaim their energy and confidence. The truth is, many of those symptoms have roots nutrition and circulation that are often overlooked. Not in prescription bottles or an operating room, it often comes down to 3 specific vitamins. 3 vitamins that can quiet those nighttime bathroom runs, power your engine back up, and heal your prostate naturally. Before we go there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the men's health advice I share. And if this message hits home, type yes in the comments. Let me know you're here and ready to feel better. If it doesn't, type no and tell me what would help you more. All right, let's get started. Let's begin with a foundational nutrient that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays a huge role in prostate healing and overall vitality. Vitamin D. Think of it as the spark plug for your whole circulatory system. When your levels are right, blood flows freely, nourishing every organ, including your prostate. When vitamin D is low, everything slows down. I remember one patient, let's call him Mark. At 54, Mark was an avid cyclist and a busy sales rep, but he was exhausted. He told me he felt 20 years older than he was. He was up 3 times a night to pee. His workouts were suffering, and so was his confidence. He was sharp and driven, but something was clearly off. We checked his vitamin D level. It was way below normal. You see, men in their 50s who spend a lot of time indoors or who live in northern areas often have plummeting vitamin D. Less sun exposure and even aging itself mean our bodies make far less of this sunshine vitamin. Your prostate and your bladder depend on good blood flow to relax and work properly. Without enough vitamin D, those muscles tighten up. The result? You feel like you have to pee all the time, your stream is weak and energy that feels completely zapped. Vitamin D helps your blood vessels open up. It boosts a natural molecule called nitric oxide, which allows more oxygen-rich blood to reach your pelvic area and your prostate. More oxygen means better muscle tone and less inflammation around your bladder. That's what eases those constant urges you feel at night. When Mark boosted his vitamin D with some morning sunlight and a quality D3 supplement, the change was remarkable. Within weeks, he was waking up fewer times at night. His morning energy shot up and he felt more alert at work. Now, how do you top up your own vitamin D? Start simple. Spend about 15 to 10 minutes in the sun each day without sunscreen if possible. Eat more vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, tuna, and fortified milk or yogurt, and consider a vitamin D3 supplement. That's the form your body uses best. Just remember, D is only part of the solution. Once we get that circulation back, we'll need to fuel it with energy. That's where the next vitamin comes in. Vitamin D got your blood moving. Now we need to turn that circulation into real energy you can feel. Vitamin B12. I call it the metabolism accelerator. Without enough B12, your body struggles to turn food into fuel. Your nerves also struggle to fire the way they should. A 52-year-old patient of mine comes to mind. He'd spent 30 years working and prided himself on endurance. Lately, he came and told me he sleeps 8 hours and still felt like he could nap on the couch all afternoon. His brain was foggy, energy flat, and just didn't feel like the man he used to be. He was fit and ate well, but was mentally and physically dragging. He couldn't figure out why until we tested his B12. It was low. This is a common scenario for men after 50. As we age, our stomachs make less acid and less of a natural helper called intrinsic factor. Both are needed for pulling B12 out of food. So even if you eat meat, eggs, or dairy every day, you may not absorb enough. When B12 runs low, your body slows down its production of red blood cells. Those cells carry oxygen to your brain for focus, to your muscles for strength, and yes, to your prostate, pelvic, and penile tissues for healthy function. Fewer oxygen-carrying cells mean everything runs on low power. Think of B12 as the fuel that lets your body use all the oxygen and blood flow vitamin D delivered. B12 also fuels your nerves. Your bladder and prostate rely on clear nerve signals to work properly. When those signals get sluggish, you can feel it. Delayed erection, less sensation, even bladder control issues. B12 helps make the chemicals your nerves and brain need, and it helps repair them too. Once my patient switched to a high-quality B12 supplement using the form his body could actually use, called methylcobalamin, the change was striking. He no longer needed a midday nap. He had clear focus at work and more get up and go at home. That sense of being on again brought back his smile. We have blood flow from vitamin D and fuel from B12. There's one more piece to this puzzle, something that protects and preserves everything we've built. That brings us to vitamin number 3. Our third vitamin focuses on protection. I like to think of vitamin E as the body's internal bodyguard, fending off damage and keeps everything running smoothly. Especially for men in their 50s, E is crucial. Take another patient, let's call him Jason, 55. Jason ate well and exercised regularly, yet he was frustrated. He said he was doing everything right, yet did not have the same drive. His recovery was slower. Sometimes his mood just crashed. He was disciplined and proud, so this confusion and upset weighed on him. His blood work looked fine. So what was missing? It turned out Jason had skipped over vitamin E entirely. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that targets inflammation and oxidative stress, two forces that silently build up as we age. Inflammation can clog up your arteries and prostate tissue, making urine flow harder and causing that heavy, tired feeling. Over time, this wear and tear can dull your body's responses and drag down your mood. Vitamin E helps prevent that damage. More specifically, vitamin E keeps your blood vessels flexible so blood can flow easily to every part of your body, including your prostate and sexual organs. It also supports your body's hormone factories. Testosterone naturally wanes with age. Vitamin E helps what's left of that hormone work better. So, when you have enough E, you're not only protecting your vessels and prostate from damage, you're also boosting your natural testosterone production. That translates to more drive, better energy, and a sharper mood. Jason started adding vitamin E through foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. We also added a quality E supplement. Months later, he told me he felt sharper. He wasn't dragging after workout and had pep in his step again. The tiredness and frustration lifted. He started feeling more like himself, more like he did in his 40s. Even his partner noticed the change, he said. So, vitamin E seals the deal. It protects what vitamin D and B12 helped restore. Together, these three vitamins form what I like to call the male vitality triangle. Circulation from D, fuel from B12, and defense from E. You might be wondering what happens when you take all three together. Think of it as a triangle of benefits. First corner, circulation. Second corner, energy. Third corner, protection. Each corner strengthens the others. With good circulation, B12-fueled blood reaches everywhere it needs to go. With oxygen-rich blood, your tissues and your prostate get real fuel. With vitamin E defending the system, hormones and vessels stay healthy so everything keeps working. This triangle is especially important as we age. Our bodies slow down production and absorption of these nutrients, and inflammation creeps upward. If one corner of the triangle is missing, the others cannot work at full power. But when you balance all three, it's like remembering how your body used to feel in your 40s or even 30s. You may wake up energized, think more clearly, and feel your confidence coming back. Now, before you stock up on bottles of vitamins, let me tell you about the biggest mistake I see men make. One morning at my clinic, I met this patient, 53. He came in carrying 2 grocery bags full of supplement bottles. He laid them out on my desk. Dozens of pills, multivitamins, random herbals, you name it. He told me he had been taking all of them for months, but felt tired, foggy, and nothing had changed down there either. He was doing what men do, dumping supplements in his cart and hoping for the best. The hard truth is, not all vitamins are created equal. The most common mistake is thinking the cheapest option or whatever is on sale works just as well as the high-quality form your body can actually use. It does not. Take B12, for example. Many generic pills use a form called cyanocobalamin, but most men over 50 cannot convert that form efficiently. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole. You need methylcobalamin, the active form. Same goes for vitamin D. Some supplements use D2 from plants. It's cheaper, but your body does not use it as well as D3, which usually comes from sunshine or animal sources. And vitamin E is another tricky one. Nature offers different forms, but a simple synthetic capsule often only gives you one. You miss half the benefit that way. Another big mistake is inconsistency. Vitamins aren't magic one-time fixes. Your body needs steady support. Taking them once a week or only when you remember won't build up the levels you need. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with a single drip at a time. You won't notice anything until the tub is nearly full. When my patients switched to the right forms, a quality D3 with breakfast, a daily methyl B12 under the tongue, and a mixed vitamin E each evening, and took them faithfully, everything changed. A few weeks in, he told me he was sleeping deeper, waking up with energy. And yes, he was feeling much more like himself in the bedroom again. Bottom line, it's not about taking a ton of vitamins, it's about taking the right ones in the right form every single day. Okay, you have the roadmap, now let's make it practical. You're not looking for a miracle pill. You want a simple daily routine. Here's a sample plan any man over 50 can follow to support prostate healing, energy, and vitality. Let's use an example. David, 52, a busy manager with 2 teens at home. He's figuring out how to take care of himself again. In the morning, start your day with a big glass of water. Hydration wakes up your system. Enjoy a protein-rich breakfast, eggs or Greek yogurt, or a smoothie, and take your B12 with that meal. That jumpstarts his engine for the day. Late morning, spend 15 to 20 minutes outside in the sun, whether it's a quick walk or just standing on the porch. That natural sunlight boosts your vitamin D levels and resets your internal clock. If you can't get sun, maybe it's winter or you live somewhere cloudy, this is a good time to take your vitamin D3 supplement with your meal instead. At lunch, make sure your lunch includes healthy fats and vitamin E-rich foods. A salad topped with olive oil and sprinkled with almonds or sunflower seeds works well. He adds some leafy greens like spinach or Swiss chard if you like. They're full of E. In the afternoon, keep moving if you can. A brisk walk or even standing up and stretching can improve circulation. By now, the B12 is fueling your brain and muscles. For dinner, enjoy a balanced meal. Consider adding another source of vitamin E, maybe avocado or a handful of nuts with your meal. This helps maintain those antioxidant levels through the night. The key here is consistency, not complexity. You don't need dozens of pills. Just a quality D3, a methyl B12, and a vitamin E supplement taken daily with meals, along with the healthy foods around them, becomes your new foundation. I've seen men like David start this routine and notice changes within weeks. They sleep through the night, don't drag at their desk, and feel that drive returning in their relationships. It sounds simple, and it is, because it respects how your body naturally works on a daily cycle. Try writing it down or setting reminders on your phone if it helps. The goal is to make this part of your day, like brushing your teeth. When you do this every day, the compound effect is what changes everything. I want to speak to you as someone who truly understands this journey. You've built a life, a family, a career. You've taken care of others for decades. Now that you are in your 50s, you deserve to feel your best too. Asking why your body doesn't feel like it used to isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're still tuned in, still fighting, still seeking the strength and connection that make life meaningful. That's something I deeply respect. We've talked about 3 essential vitamins. Vitamin D, the circulation spark plug that helps open your blood vessels and soothe the prostate. Vitamin B12, the energy catalyst that fuels your brain, muscles, and stamina. And vitamin E, the defender that protects your blood vessels and supports your testosterone. They each have a role, but the real power comes when you build them into your life consistently. Here's what I know from 25 years of practice. These nutrients don't just support your body, they support your identity and your confidence. Give your body what it needs, and you could wake up one morning feeling more like you again. Maybe a bit stronger, a bit more alert, a bit more like the man you remember. You might find yourself looking forward to your day, engaging fully at work, and feeling connected with your partner. This isn't wishful thinking. I've watched it happen too many times to doubt it. Men in their 50s and 60s who thought they were beyond help discover a second wind that changes everything. You can too, so what is next? That part is up to you. You can let this information just sit here, or you can take action. You can choose to walk outside, take that supplement with intention, and say yes to your health and your future. Remember, it isn't about feeling young again. It's about feeling fully alive again. If this video spoke to you, go ahead and hit that like button so I know this content is making a difference. Share it with a friend, a brother, or anyone you care about who needs to hear this message. And if you have a moment, leave a comment below. Let me know what resonated with you most or what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching and trusting me with your health. You've already taken the first step by showing up here. Now take the next. You still have time to feel stronger, more energetic, and fully yourself. It's never too late to feel alive again.